Honey, have you seen these? Aren't they so cute? Look at this. So this is the silicone coin purse, all right? The coin purse, child. All right, get into it. Do you guys know that song, My Money Don't Wiggle Wiggle, It Folds? Ooh, my money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. Child, okay? All right, now this coin purse, they come in different colors. Let me let you guys see. The orange, they have the green, really, really cool. And these are $1.25. They must be just put this out probably not too long ago. Absolutely loved it. Hey, good looking. Okay, honey, today we are at Dollar Tree in a place to be. Dina is the fabulous MC. Honey, what you doing? Okay, now, today we are in West New York, Dollar Tree on 49th Street. Let's see what they have inside. Let's go. Okay, so first up, Dollar Tree has the Freeze Sculpting Gel. Okay, now I done told you guys about this. This is so good. This is $1.25, and honey, this is gonna sell out in no time here. All right. They also have the Froyo lips. Okay, now we've seen these a few times. All right, they come in different flavors. They have the coconut, the mint, the vanilla, the cotton candy, the chocolate, and then they also have the creamsicle. All right, these are $1.25. These lip balms, absolutely love these. They also have the cooling lip serum. Now, they had a few different ones, but this appears to be the only ones left. These two right here. Now, Dollar Tree also have the travel brushes, 3 pieces for $1.25, and it also comes with the mirror. They also have the bronzer drops, which is $1.25 as well. Still deal. And if you're a person that has been looking for a freckle pen, okay, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got the actual freckle pen, okay? You've been taking your mascara and put in the mascara or put in the eyelash glue, okay, on your face to try to give you that freckle look. Honey, Dollar Tree said, child, we got the freckle pen, okay, we got it for $1.25. They also have the everlasting lash glue, which is $1.25 as well. Honey, why I purchased this, never even used it, because I haven't bought eyelashes in such a long time, okay, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also have the textured travel bottle containers. Now, these are really, really good. You can put lotion in here. You can put mouthwash. You can put whatever liquid your fancy heart desire. Okay, these are $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the blue, the yellow, and also the orange. Okay, can we say still deal like a Holyfield? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Guru Nada Pro Formula Whitening Gel Pen. Okay, up to 20 uses. I did purchase this, and it was good. Dazzle from first application. Your path to pearly white starts now, Dollar Tree says. Okay, and Guru Nada products are really, really good. Dollar Tree used to sell a mouthwash, but I don't think they sell it any longer here. Now, Dollar Tree also have these hand wipes over here by Be Pure. These was out during, I want to say before the holidays, okay? But honey, these are really, really good. Infused with apple extract. I had purchased the apple one. They also have the watermelon scented hand wipes and also the lemon. You get 20 wipes for $1.25. Can you just say still deal like Holyfield? And check these band-aids out, okay? Shaped bandages. Now, I had seen these before, but when I see these look so cool. Cool llama, okay? Actual shapes of bandages. They also have the pineapple, the baby dino, unicorn bandages, the mermaid, and aliens, all right? Let's see how many. And this is from BioSwiss. You get 21 band-aids for $1.25. If that's not a steal deal, honey, I just don't know what it is. So this is the last set of Brazilian face body wipes. Okay, honey, I'm telling you guys, if you see these, you may want to grab these. Okay, they smell so good. 30 wipes for $1.25. Let me show you what else is a must at Dollar Tree. If you have acne or anything like that, honey, this is a must, because these patches, they work like no other, and that's words to the mother. Okay, so Dollar Tree has these orchid acne patches, non-medicated. Now, you get 24 patches for $1.25. When I tell you these things are really good, reduces inflammation, they are so good. Honey, I will forever keep one of these, a package of these on my dresser, because they are hands down the best of the best. Now, and if you was to go to like CVS or Walgreens or something like that, honey, you're not gonna get no acne patches for $1.25. It's gonna be way more than that. They also have the exfoliating facial mitt. Okay, these are $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the pink, the green, and also the blue. They also have the mask gift sets. Okay, you get 2 sheet masks for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Makeup removing wipes by LA Colors, 10 count for $1.25. Wax strips for face chamomile. Okay, hair removal strips are great for touch-ups and travel hair. Grows back finer and softer. $1.25, and you get 8 strips. Okay, so you guys had said before that this was so good. I still haven't tried it yet, okay? But Dollar Tree stay in stock with this, okay? Say I do to Perfect Skin body polish. They also have pack it up dry skin body polish, $1.25. And then they also have these cute Mini Mel's bath bombs, which are $1.25 as well. And then they also have the Color Twist bath bomb, cotton candy scented, $1.25. Now, if you are looking for a rainbow bath bomb, you get 2 from Spa Luxury for $1.25. And then they also have Love Struck bath bombs for $1.25. Now, they also had the Love Struck, I believe it was the lotion. Yeah, it was the lotion. Honey, smell just like Victoria's Secret Love Spell. I haven't used Victoria's Secret in so long, okay? All right? I wonder, do these smell like Love Spell? Look. Inspired by Victoria's Secret Love Spell. Okay, this is $1.25. Dollar Tree also have these pot holders, Easter theme. You get 2 for $1.25, and then they also have the microfiber kitchen towels for $1.25 as well. And then they also have the gnomes over here, Easter theme for $1.25. The little bunnies, okay, $1.25 as well. The coloring books, look at this. Make a Face, okay, includes stickers. Make a Face Easter Friends sticker activity book, really cool. They also have Easter Adventures over here, bunnies, jumbo coloring and activity books. They also have the Easter Giant coloring and activity book for $1.25. Now, what is this? Oh, this is a coloring and activity book, $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield, child. Look at this. The mesh, decorative mesh they have. The bunny tail picks for $1.25. And the window cleans. Okay, these are 15 pieces for $1.25. And then this one is 11 pieces, $1.25. And then they also have all the decor that your pretty fancy heart desire. Now, new item alert, okay? Dollar Tree has the 1 pair of socks, all right? Disney inspired, really cool. Absolutely love this. Look at the mini, okay? Really cool. Lilo and Stitch, Winnie the Pooh they have. Really nice. $1.25. All right, so we had seen this a while ago, but I want to say this Dollar Tree, they just got this. This is the 6-foot floral egg garland. This is $3. Really, really cool. I like these. Okay, they fancy pantsy. They also have the rainbow and glitter palettes over here. These are $1.25. Golden Treasure, really, really cool egg decorating kit, $1.25. They also have these stampers over here, 8 pieces for $1.25. And then the Easter eggs over here, 12 pieces for $1.25. Fabric bags, anyone? Really, really cool. You get 2 pieces for $1.25. Novelty glasses, $1.25 as well. Table covers, $1.25. And then they also have these buckets over here. Really, really nice. You get 2 buckets. Groovy Chicks. I know that's right. $1.25. They also have these Easter bags. I say these bags, but Dollar Tree has worn them baskets. Okay. Really, really nice. Absolutely love these. Every bunny welcome. So if you're a person you are looking for baskets, and you just like, I want a selection of different baskets to choose from, right? Dollar Tree definitely has it. Headbands they have. Fancy of the McFanciest. Okay, these are cute. The rainbow. Absolutely love it. You guys know I'm a colors girl, right? If you didn't know that, I am a colors girl. Really, really cool. Styling and definitely profiling. 10-inch bunny shaped egg containers. Dollar Tree definitely has it. And then they also have the egg containers itself. Really, really cool. Ooh, gold. Ooh, child. I'm feeling fancy. $1.25. Now, with this color your own paper tablecloth, I think this is so fancy. It gives the children something to do. Very, very exciting. $1.25. Right, family, make sure you guys are rocking out, believing in yourselves. Keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.